Hey guys, and welcome back to No Coffee Needed. I'm Chad, right here in the heart of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and we really appreciate you tuning in for this real quick video about a peach cobbler. That's right, a peach cobbler. If you would go ahead and share, like, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. We greatly appreciate it very much because y'all mean the world to us. Absolutely, and we mean that. If there was any way that I could invite every single one of you to my house for a huge cookout, promise you I would do it in a skinny second. But we have a special guest in the house this weekend, and it is the Princess Allie. She's here today or for the weekend, and she wanted something real special, real quick, and real easy. She said, Dad, I really want that peach cobbler. So what I'm doing today is going to film that peach cobbler because I promise you it's more simple than the dump cake. The ones with the cherry and the pineapple in the boxes of cake mix. I promise you this one's even more simple than that. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to get started. We got to get this oven set on 375, and we're doing this on convection. Got the oven set, 375. Our ingredients today, we have got 3 sticks of butter. We're doing 1 3/4 sticks melted, 1 1/4 sticks we're cutting up into pats. We've got 3 boxes of the Jiffy golden yellow cake mix. You know that's my favorite cake mix. That's my go-to cake mix on everything I do. We've got a pan, we've got our butter spray, pan spray, we've got 2 cans of sliced peaches in heavy syrup. That's right, heavy syrup, you don't drain them, real simple. I promise you this is all it takes, gonna be real quick. Wanna take the peaches, first things first, about to forget the spray, can't forget the spray. Wanna spray this pan really good. Take the peaches, pour them in, both cans. Jiffy yellow golden cake mix, 3 boxes. Take the spoon, spread it around. Then we're taking the melted butter, 1 3/4 cups melted butter, pouring it all over. Then we're taking our pats and putting them all over the top. Cake mix, peaches, butter. What in the world else could you ever want in a peach cobbler? Hey, we even used butter-flavored pan spray. How about that? Butter, cake mix, peaches. There we go, guys. I promise you it was that quick. We assembled that in less than 3 minutes. All right, guys, we got the oven to 375. We're taking the cake. Doesn't it look beautiful? Just like that, with all that yummy butter on top. This is going to be amazing. All right, guys, 375. Throwing her in the oven. Middle rack. Gonna set this timer 45 minutes. We'll check it after 45 minutes. If it needs a little bit more time, we'll give it. But right now, originally 45 minutes. Guys, we'll see you when she's done. All right, guys, it took a little longer than anticipated on the peach cobbler, peach duck cake, whatever you want to call it. But man, she is looking phenomenal. Took us a little over an hour to get this done. Guys, check it out. We're gonna put some of this in a bowl. We're gonna get the princess in here and we're gonna give it a taste test, guys. All right, guys, I got Daddy's princess right here. This is Allie. Tell them hey. All right, guys, we're gonna give this a taste test. This is what she wanted for the weekend, right? That's what you wanted? That was her request for the weekend. So let's give it a taste, Allie. See what we think. Ooh, it is steaming hot. Is that what you wanted? That is like off the chain. That's right on time, guys. I'm telling you, it is what? Amazing! It is great. Let's see what Mr. Bo thinks of it. Come here. Y'all don't tell Sandy. What you think? Haha. Bo loved it. We'll go get Barkley and Ammo a little bit. These are Allie's kids, our four-legged grandchildren, Barkley, Ammo. Bo loved it. You will too. Guys, if you don't mind, please go ahead and share, like, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, whatever you need to do to this channel. We appreciate you. We love you more than you'll ever know. But most importantly, we want you to know that God loves you. And until next time, now you're cooking. No coffee needed style. You gotta act a little more excited. Come on.
I don't want to film, Dad.
All right, just stay there. Come on.
Okay.